More than 570 new websites are created every minute. Over 3.8 billion people are using the internet today. This is 40% of the world's population, and it is estimated that by 2020, 8 billion devices will be connected to the internet. Technology is one of the fastest growing and most rapidly changing industries in the world. It affects the way in which we live, learn, socialize, work, and even the way we play. These rapid changes have brought about changes in the way we communicate and interact, both offline and online. With these changes, certain issues have arrived, with particular focus on the unethical and illegal use of technology, as well as the security risks associated with technology. Essentially, the norms of behavior we have so far come to accept regarding communication, work and play are changing as well. These changes need to be addressed, and this is where digital citizenship comes into it. According to Mike Gribble, digital citizenship can be defined as the continuously developing norms of appropriate, responsible and empowered technology use. With the increase of the adoption of technology across all genders, ages, and demographics, digital citizenship is a concept that applies to any technology user. Digital citizenship can be broken down into 9 elements that encompass the use, abuse, and misuse of technology. These elements are namely digital access, digital commerce, digital communication and collaboration, digital etiquette, digital fluency, digital health and welfare, digital law, digital rights and responsibilities, and digital security and privacy. Digital access, the full electronic participation in society. Digital access is about ensuring the equal distribution of technology and online resources. Not everyone in your community has access to such resources as computers or the internet. Teachers, administrators, and all other digital citizens need to be aware of who may or may not, regarding both at school as well as at home. Options for lessons and data collection, for example free access in the community or providing resources for at home, need to be provided by educators. It is unreasonable to think that everyone can receive equal access to technology, but it is a noble goal towards which we should all aspire. As digital citizens, we need to be committed to ensuring nobody is denied digital access. Digital commerce. These days, a large share of market economy is being done electronically. The electronic buying and selling of goods is called digital commerce. It focuses on the tools and safeguards that are put in place to assist in the buying, selling, banking, or using of money digitally. The tools of technology can be used by career and technical education to show students where their futures may go. Digital citizenship encourages people to embrace digital commerce and continue to strive for safe and secure utilization of shopping, banking, and engaging in other commercial transactions in technical venues. Users need to learn to become effective consumers in a digital economy. Digital communication and collaboration. In order for others to understand the message we are using to convey our thoughts, all users need to define how these messages will be shared. This electronic exchange of information is called digital communication and collaboration. This includes emailing, texting, instant messaging, use of social media, or the utilization of cell phones. We must make appropriate decisions when communicating digitally. Technology can help learners express themselves and find where they fit in. Keep in mind, however, we need to utilize digital channels of communication to enhance our ability to communicate, but must not allow it to replace our ability to communicate. Digital etiquette. Electronic standards of conduct or procedures, and has to do with the process of thinking about others when using digital devices. This element highlights the importance of being aware of others, both in person and online. We all recognize inappropriate behavior when we see it, yet people start using technology without learning the correct etiquette. Teachers should include digital etiquette as part of their classroom rules, and digital citizens should apply the correct digital etiquette in their daily lives. For example, there are times when cell phone usage is deemed inappropriate, such as at the dinner table or in the classroom. Digital fluency. It is important to understand technology and the various uses of technology. This is known as digital fluency. Students who are better educated are going to make better online decisions, such as being supportive of others and avoiding negativity. Another aspect of digital fluency is digital literacy, which includes media literacy and the ability to differentiate between good and bad information, such as fake or false news. As digital citizens, it is our responsibility to develop and continually enhance our technological knowledge. We should support and encourage the acquisition of technological knowledge by others. As new technology arises, learners need to know how to use it quickly and effectively. Digital health and welfare. In the digital world, your own physical and psychological well-being is highly important. This is known as digital health and welfare. As digital citizens, one needs to know how to separate the use of technology with one's own needs in order to lead healthy, balanced lifestyles. Teachers and parents need to make sure they select how much screen time will be appropriate for their learners and children. It is also the responsibility of parents and educators to understand the world in which children live, play, and study, and they must guide them in being responsible digital citizens with regards to both their physical and mental health. Digital law. The online world is structured in the same way as the real world regarding protection from people using digital devices for harm. This digital law can be described as the electronic responsibility for actions and deeds and relates to the rules and policies created to address issues relating to the online world. There should be no stealing, no plagiarism, no abuse of others. Administrators and educators need to come up with positive approaches to issues such as cyberbullying and sexting in their communities and schools. The digital world is so enormous that it is difficult to police. Therefore, we digital citizens must be vigilant in reporting illegal behavior that we encounter, and we personally should only engage in behavior that is seen as legal behavior. Digital rights and responsibilities. Everyone in the digital world has certain requirements as well as freedoms, and these are called digital rights and responsibilities. This element of digital citizenship focuses on helping digital students understand that with the opportunity that come with internet access and use of online products, there are responsibilities, such as helping others or informing the right parties of potential problems. Users need to be aware that protecting others in the real world and online are essential skills to have. Those committed to the concept of digital citizenship must take their rights seriously and their responsibilities even more seriously, by setting positive examples and helping guide the integration of technology into new areas. Digital security and privacy. Digital privacy and security is the last element of digital citizenship and focuses on the electronic precautions in place to ensure safety. Digital viruses can easily be passed from one system to another, and users need to understand and be aware of these attacks, as well as how to prevent them. This element extends to protecting your own identity, data, or money. Back up your data regularly, create strong passwords, and change passwords regularly. Be aware of internet scams and do not share information with anyone that you do not know. By applying these 9 elements in their daily lives, one will become an effective digital citizen in our digital society. As an effective digital citizen, you can enjoy all the benefits of technology. You can lead and assist others in building positive digital experiences. You can recognize that our actions in the digital and real world have consequences to others, and you can participate in a manner for the common good.